phone call to our government. We would be in control. And in 2016, you would get to vote in who you choose. And whoever gets the biggest number of votes, that's who we'll have. And the great thing is, if they don't live up to their manifesto, in 2020, we can kick them out. And that's something we've never been able to do up to now. So any of you who are here who are not sure what this is about is asking your questions. I would ask all the yes people, no speeches. Okay? It's too early for a rally. But if you've got questions, please ask your questions. You're not going to get this fed to you on the plate from the media. The media are very clear what's right or wrong. You need to do your homework. You need to make up your own mind. I have no problem with people who are heart and soul see themselves as British. Absolutely, they should vote no, because that's what they believe. The people who are going to come out worse are the people who say, I would love Scotland to be independent, but we couldn't. Because when they discover they've been lied to, they are going to be really bitter. So that's what we don't want. We need to make sure everyone is informed and they make the choice that they believe in. But I believe in the people of Scotland, and I think most of you here do as well. So be brave, get in there, but don't make any plans, because you're going to be really busy and hard at work for the next 10 years. Thank you.
Hi.